Well, if that's a grave abuse of discretion, then she can file a case before the Supreme Court if she wants. That is the best thing to do. Instead of just let it hang, and the people do not know these things, the technical meaning of these things. So I think I would suggest to her that instead of just talking to the people without putting into action what she believes to be her truth, then she should take the necessary action.
Gusto natin tumahimik na at tumigil na ang bangayan ng mga senador. Gusto natin na mag-focus sa trabaho sa Senado. Simple lang. Let's answer the issue directly. That's why yung ginawa ng Senate President kahapon na mag-resign, it doesn't answer the issue. Hindi ko naman hinihingi na mawala siya bilang Senate President. Ang hinihingi ko, i-audit yung pondo ng Senado para katulad na sinabi ni Senator Ping, hindi naman isipin na magnanakaw ang mga senador.
There's nothing wrong. Ang napasama lang talaga dyan, yung misnomer na cash gift yung 1.6 million. Yun lang talaga. Talagang merong anong tawag doon na merong malis pag i-imply nun. Kasi walang cash gift na MOE. Yun, Christmas gift yun. Oh, there's nothing wrong with that. Wala nga sa kalingkingan nyo ng bonus ko sa Itbulaga At saka kung 250,000 o 350,000 or even pagpalagay mo ng totoo, although hindi, na 1.6 million is a bonus of the members of the Senate. But tignan naman natin yung legislative work ng Senate. I think we are worth every centavo.